Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
What the BJP did to us in 2017 to 19 is coming back to haunt them. What you sow, you reap. In 2017, 2019, and elsewhere in Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Manipur, and in other states, the BJP is the one that sowed the seeds of what they called Operation Lotus, which is buying people. Now it's coming to haunt them. Their own people are leaving. I read in the papers today that practically 1/4 or 1/3 of the assembly has quit. So what you sow, you reap. The BJP sowed this poison and it's reaping this poison. That seat is identified with Mr. Pratpasingh Rane. It's been identified for nearly 50 years now. So it would be presumptuous on our part to tell him what to do. As far as we are concerned, we have announced him as the candidate. And we have told him, you contest the election or you suggest a name which can be forwarded to the ICC to be named as a candidate. I think a decision will be taken in a day or two.
टीएमसी कशे पद्धतीन काँग्रेसीच्या फाटल्यान लागल्या ती केंद्रीय फुडाऱ्यांक खबर आसा. टीएमसी कडेन युती विशीं उलोवंक खंय चिदंबरमाक वेल्यान कसलेच निर्देश नाशिल्ले. तृणमुलाच्या आरोपांचेर जाप.
There was a suggestion from the TMC that we should form an alliance. But before and after, certain events took place. They first poached on Mr. Luzino Filero, a sitting MLA. On the 16th of December, we announced the candidate of Mr. Reginald Lorenco. They poached him 4 days later, on the 20th of December. The suggestion to form an alliance was made on the 24th of December. Even after that, they poached our leaders from Vasco and Marmagoa. So all these facts were before the leadership of the Congress party. And I had no instruction from the leadership of the Congress party to hold any talks. So the matter closed there.
Bureau Report Prudent.